quick and easy way to make a tomato trellis using bamboo, which is one of my favorite materials. Vego makes a beautiful trellis for these raised garden beds, but we wanted to try something a little bit different. For this project, you're going to need bamboo stakes, kitchen twine, zip ties, and one-hole straps. We stuck the bamboo stake into the ground on the inside of the bed, and we used an existing screw hole to attach the one-hole strap. And as you can see, it's not going anywhere. Tomatoes are vines, so they can grow up to 20 feet long, but obviously we can't make a trellis that high, so make it as high as you want and try to keep them contained into that area. We're using 6-foot stakes, so we're just going to measure and see where these need to be, and that looks about right. We're just using the kitchen twine and wrapping it really tight. We use zip ties to hold the poles in place while we wrap the twine around them. Now we're going to do the same thing to each side pole to add some height. We want to extend these to make them a little bit taller, but first we're going to attach them to our top piece so that we don't have to reach up so high. We got all of our bamboo stakes tied together, and now I'm just going to tie 3 more strings for our 3 tomato plants. So now that I have it the height that I want it, I'm going to temporarily hold it together with 2 zip ties, and then I'll put the string on it. One thing I forgot was either some wire or some landscape staple. You want to put this at an angle down into the side of the plant to hold it tight, and then you're just going to very carefully twist your plant around the string. And keep going up as it grows. Twisting it kind of freaks me out because I'm always afraid I'm going to tear the plant up. So I have a bunch of different kinds of plant clips, and the easiest way is just to grab the string and tuck your plant in with it. And then this kind, it has a little spot, and you just clip it. So tell me what you think, and let me know if you're going to be trying it. You can find the bamboo stakes, the string, and all the products that I used in my Amazon store.